G'day, I'm Dan from Certified Energy Solutions. Now today we're going to be going through all the advanced functionality of the mySigen application. Now we provide our clientele with an on-site handover and training session on completion of installation. In saying that, this handover and training process is around about an hour long, and trying to cram all the advanced functionality from the mySigen application into a short period can be a little bit daunting or maybe even confusing. So this video I'll be winding back all the layers and showing you how to get to specific functions within that software package so you can make the most out of your investment. So stay with us, have a look through, pause and skip and navigate to your heart's desire. You should be able to get fluent with your operation of your system after you watch the full series, and we'll go through everything from smart port integration with hot water devices, generator involvement with your system, and how to manage your backup settings for your battery system during storm or weather events. We'll go through VPP integration, and obviously our first video is going to be navigating and understanding what you're seeing on the home screen and how to best set that up so you can see your investment is actually working to its full potential. So stick around, and we hope you find this informative. Thank you.